I saw the screen recording and I saw you.
So, you think it's real?
Why not? Don't you believe in you that he could really like you? I think he really does like you.
I
And
don't
I
believe
believe
in
you
it.
really like me
I
too.
don't believe in it. I don't think it's just for them. It is for entertainment.
Well, it wasn't like that for me. I always felt like it was real. I guess it's just your turn. I guess I got played, you
Well,
know.
this honestly, Brit, it can't be my turn because I don't take it seriously. I don't.
It's the accent for me.
Well, I don't take it seriously. I never will take it seriously because at the end of the day, listen, Brit, let me tell you this. You say if world dog they live in a Jamaica, but I say, well, we have something going on. But world dog live in foreign. And if world dog take a trip to come to Jamaica, without papers, he cannot go back. That's deportation. Say world dog take 20 years to get papers, because still have 20 years at Jamaica wait for world dog.
So,
I cannot, listen, I cannot go to world dog either because I don't have a visa to go where he is. Girl, me a world dog no in a nothing and I don't take it serious no time at all. I just do it for fun. Because I'm an entertainer and I like acting. I don't
well,
let people think
it wasn't
I
acting
don't let
for me. It was real.
you animals real.
Of course it
Brit,
was. It was 100%
Brit,
real.
world dog no want me and world dog no want you.
No, I think he stalks me. Like I know he wants me, and that's not a question.
He just
Like
care
I
about
know
you
he
as a
wants
friend.
me. No, I know he wants me as a girlfriend. But
If world
now,
dog don't want you have a girlfriend, when them say him have him papers, if world dog don't want you as a girlfriend, he would have come look for you a long time at Jamaica. Listen, Brit, listen, he said world dog don't want you, he wouldn't put you on the media. You know world dog girlfriend we have talked about all the way, you know him girlfriend? I don't know her, you know her? You ever seen her
no,
before?
but I feel like he wants me, and but that offer is off the table now that we had a little disagreement. We really done, but yeah, he wants me like that, but he just don't know how, you know. But
Well,
I know he wants me
he
like
doesn't
that.
want me like that and I don't really care.
Oh.
So don't really take that don't take that little stunt and put it on your head, please. I don't want world dog. I don't want it to make it
But
get to your brain.
you look so happy on the screen recording.
Yes. I look up because I'm always happy, Brit. I don't let people get me
Really?
down.
You look very
But I
happy.
don't
You
want
say
world
it
dog. World
like
dog
that you used to
is
make
just
me
my
happy.
friend. And we're doing for entertainment.
I hear
But
you
I
still.
realize that you felt for him so deep. And I can understand.
And
It
he
makes you
fell
feel
for me
happy.
too. He fell for me as well. I wasn't the only one to fall. Like he's in love with me. He talks about me every single hour of his day. Like he can't get over me. You know, he's really into me like that. But if you say so,
Them real world dog, they really into you.
he's even still into me even more than ever, and he doesn't understand why he's so into me still after me being so rude. But yeah, he's into me, like he really digs me out.
You
He
know that
really
drink.
does. He really digs me like, oh no.